We've got some breaking news coming in. The Delhi High Court has now issued a show cause notice to the Modi government, asking it to explain why contempt proceedings should not be initiated against the central government amidst the big oxygen crisis in Delhi. Nalini Sharma breaking the story here on India Today. Nalini, give us the details. Show cause notice from the Delhi High Court to the Modi government.
Well, Shiv, it's a very serious step taken by the Delhi High Court. Time and again, they have come forth and warned the centre that contempt action will be initiated against them if oxygen is not supplied to Delhi as per the requirement on a daily basis. Because there is also a Supreme Court order now in place that specifically asks the centre to fulfill its obligation of 700 metric tons of oxygen to Delhi every day. But despite repeated questions from the High Court, there have been no satisfactory answers that have been given by the central government. In fact, after repeated questions today, the central government told them that they will be filing a compliance affidavit before the Supreme Court, which is an answer that the High Court's absolutely refused to accept, which is why they've taken this big step forward and they've in fact issued a show cause notice against the centre, asking them to explain why contempt action should not be initiated against them. So it's just one step before contempt action is actually officially initiated against the centre, which is of course going to mean very bad news for the union government. So now the centre has been asked to explain to the High Court why contempt action should not be initiated against them, because not only is there a Supreme Court order directing them to supply the oxygen to Delhi, but there are multiple orders from the High Court that have asked them to do the same. But still, not only is the centre not complying, but they're also not giving any valid reasons to the court of law for why they are not complying with the said orders.
Nalini, very serious step. Thanks very much for getting us the latest on that. In the midst of Delhi experiencing this huge oxygen crunch, the Delhi High Court has lashed out at the centre after it has failed to resolve the oxygen crisis in Delhi. The High Court has told the centre that it is unable to resolve the matter. It should hand over the distribution of oxygen tankers to an IIT or an IIM, as they'll do a much better job than the centre. Moreover, after the centre in court called deaths in Delhi as rhetoric, the High Court has condemned the statement, saying that you may be blind, but the court isn't. As you can see, the Delhi High Court is furious, and rightfully so. Delhi's projected daily oxygen requirement is of 976 metric tons. The centre, which had allocated 480 metric tons to the national capital, has revised the allocation to 590 metric tons of oxygen for now. My colleague Sneha Mordani spoke to Dr.